Hello, my name is Claudia and today I'm gonna show you how to do this beautiful look perfect for Christmas. Okay, for this look I chose these two palettes. They have brownie and golden colors, so you can choose something similar and it's gonna be perfect. Let's begin! I prepared my eyelid with some concealer and then I set it with translucent powder. Now with this color, I'm going to be working just on my crease with this blending brush. I'm gonna take the color and with my blending brush I'm gonna work just here on my crease, doing circular motions to blend this color very well. So take your time to do it perfect. With this brush and the same color, I'm gonna work here on my under eye. Now that my first color looks perfect for me, I'm gonna choose this color and with a smaller brush, I'm gonna keep working just on my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and apply the color just here. Come on. Okay, like this. Look. With these motions, keep working just on the crease. Make your outer corner more dark and also your inner corner. Okay? Look. I'm gonna take the first brush that I used and take the first color and blend everything, both colors, very well. Okay, like this. And it's gonna look like this. To finish this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna take this golden color and with my finger, I'm gonna put it just in the center of my lid. Look. Just on the center here. Okay, and with a small brush, clean, I'm gonna blend the edge. Now that I finished my eyeshadow look, I'm gonna apply this brown eyeliner, and to make this look even better, I'm gonna apply this demi-wispies eyelashes. Now that my eyes are ready, I'm gonna use this foundation for my skin, and with my blending sponge, I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation. I'm gonna start applying like this. Tapping. It's time for concealer, and I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 and put it just here. A little more. And with the same sponge, I'm gonna blend this. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using this translucent powder. I'm gonna take a little bit. And with the same sponge, I'm gonna take this and set my foundation like this. with this bronzer, I'm gonna do my contour here. And try to blend everything very, very well. And just here. A little more, why not? Why not? Just for the photos. And some here. You can do your nose if you want.